Mr. Speaker, we're 10 months into the COVID crisis and news of potential vaccines are starting to surface. But for months, immunologists, pharmacists, and public health officials have been asking the federal government to table a transparent plan on where Canada is on the list to receive a vaccine, how the vaccine will be delivered to Canadians, and who will get it first. On what date will the Prime Minister make public this plan, or does he even have one?
Scientists have been working around the world on their important work to uncover effective vaccines for COVID-19. We've been working to make sure that Canadians will have access and be able to get vaccinated when the time comes. That's why we've secured a range of vaccines, Mr. Speaker, and hundreds of millions of doses for Canadians so that Canadians are safe and well served when they arrive. A few vaccine candidates have published some promising results and seem to be moving quickly. This is the light at the end of the tunnel. I know that we need to continue to work closely together to get through the next several months, but we will continue to work with all of our partners to ensure that Canadians have access to vaccines when they arrive.
So, Mr. Speaker, for those watching, that's word salad for we don't have a plan and we don't have details. And today we learned that the military might actually have to be deployed regarding the vaccine. But we still don't have details on who's going to get it in what order, how it's going to be distributed, and how some of the logistic details might be addressed. The health minister didn't deliver rapid tests in a way that could have stopped the second wave. Is her incompetence or the Prime Minister's the reason why, 10 months into COVID, we don't have any details on vaccine distribution?
The Honourable Minister.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. And this is a whole-of-government approach. In fact, it's a Team Canada approach. We'll be working closely with provinces, territories, indeed local public health as we need to. This is an endeavour that will require all hands on deck. And, Mr. Speaker, I'm so thrilled with the work of people like the Vaccine Task Force, hard-working volunteer Canadians who have been helping the Government of Canada to procure the most effective vaccines. In fact, we can see that that is resulting in ensuring that Canadians have access to promising vaccines, to the number of doses that we'll need. We'll continue that hard work, Mr. Speaker, and I know that Canadians are looking forward to the light at the end of the tunnel.